Surgery six-packs.
Make your husband look like he works out 24/7.
These are the last of my bandages.
It's our Ask the Docs, Fix My Mate edition. The amazing before and after. Coming up right now on The Doctors, where MD meets TV.
Doctor, give me the news.
But for all of you women out there, have you ever dreamt your husband could get rock-hard abs like a movie star? When we come back, we'll let you in on the plastic surgery that will make your husband look like he works out 24/7.
I'd love to have abs like Matthew McConaughey.
Avi works out like a fiend. He is constantly exercising. No matter what he does, the six-packs just would not form.
These are the last of my bandages here, which I'm very, very much looking forward to getting off so I can see the results.
One man decided to get this procedure because he was determined to make his own wife happy.
I'm very uncomfortable walking around without my shirt on.
Avi works out like a fiend. He is constantly exercising.
I work out 6 to 7 days a week. A lot of crunches, a lot of cardio, everything that you're supposed to do to get abdominal definition.
No matter what he does, the six-packs just would not form. And he is so badly trying to get that six-pack like Matthew McConaughey.
I'd love to have abs like Matthew McConaughey.
When he heard about the surgery, it was like a dream come true.
I got the VASER High-Definition Liposuction Surgery with Dr. Millard. And before the surgery, Dr. Millard came in and diagrammed where he was going to do the VASER on my body. And he drew with a marker and basically carved out a six-pack on my stomach. It was actually pretty good as far as surgeries go. Relatively painless procedure, a little bit of recovery afterwards. These are the last of my bandages here, which I'm very, very much looking forward to getting off so I can see the results.
We're here with Avi and his wife, Rebecca, and also joining us is Avi's plastic surgeon, Dr. John Millard. So, I touched briefly on VASER technology, but there's another instrument, the Hi-Def VASER liposuction. Tell us something about that.
Well, what VASER Hi-Def is it's a marriage between art and technology. In essence, we've taken a gentle tool that enabled us to work in many of the fatty layers and work specifically in a way to take the fat out that we want to take out and leave the fat behind that we want to leave behind. And what VASER Hi-Def then does do is allows us to enhance the muscular definition, the definition that most patients have but are hiding with some fat over their torsos. And what this has allowed us to do is to do things and sculpt more in 3D, three-dimensionally. We can work not just the definition over those muscle groups, but we can also work the definition around and in between the muscle groups, enhancing not just the abs, but the pecs, the obliques.
So are we ready for a little unveiling here?
Yes, we are.
And with any procedure, it does take time to get that final resolution, that high def.
And typically with the VASER Hi-Def, you'll start to see some decent results at about 2 months. The best results will be out about 4 months, but he's about 80% of the way there now with his final results.
Look at that. And you can see the etching, that so-called six-pack. The dark areas represent where you concentrated with this instrument to create the six-pack.
Correct.
Do we have a before picture to compare here of Avi? Okay, so like you said, he really wasn't overweight, but clearly the amount of definition that he has.